Right, good morning folks. A bit of a departure for me today. I don't normally do installation videos and I don't normally show this ugly mug on camera either, but I need to get some power into the back of the FJR. I want to fit a USB socket under there. The problem is it's a long way from the battery. You'll see what I mean in a moment. Okay, so this is where I want to fit a USB socket. The problem is, unlike most motorbikes, the battery on the FJR is right up here underneath this panel. So we've got to get some power from down here all the way back under the tank and down to here. And what I'm going to be fitting is this. So this is a switched, four-way switched fuse block. I'll take the cover off and show you what's underneath. Okay, so this is what is inside the box. 4 fuses, a little relay here. So that's controlled by a switch live. So let's have a look at it. Now I've already installed some wires here. These are fed up underneath the tank. I've had to lift the tank. To do that is quite simple really. It's a matter of remove this, same on the other side. This cowling then slips off, and then at the front are 2 bolts. Remove those 2, the whole tank then just swings up out of the way. Prop it up with a piece of wood, and then that gives you access then to run the cables in. I've run them over the top of the heat shield which is underneath. So we now need to get to the battery which is under this cover. So let's get that off. Okay, so I've taken out the 2 screws here, and then the cover lifts out, and there's the battery. So as I said, I've already installed some wiring. What I've got to do now is put some ring tongs on the end of here so we can connect up to the battery, and we've also got to install this wire here which is the trip circuit for the relay. So let's get on with that. Okay, so I have now crimped on the positive and negative terminal, and I've also spliced in here. This is the feed to the relay, and that's actually connected into this fuse block here. This is a switched fuse block, so only operates when the ignition is on, which is exactly what we want. I've connected in a new cable to the ones that I've laid in from the tank. So if we switch on now, hurrah, everything lights up. So we've now got 4 switch live circuits. Perfect. Okay, so we've got the battery cover back on. Everything's all connected up in there. All the cables are nicely routed, because I hate to see badly routed cables. Being an ex-aircraft technician, I like to see things looking neat. So the box is in there. I've actually attached it with a bit of Velcro, stop it bouncing about. Easily removable and roll lashed down. I've run in the cable for the USB, which is up here. I'm not sure where I actually want to mount that yet, but I may want it free. All I've got to do is cut this cable to length and connect it up to the box. So let's just do that. Okay, so we have now got the box installed. As you can see, I'm a little bit anal about wiring. I like things tucked away neatly. I haven't quite decided where to fit that yet. Maybe sit it on there, not quite sure. But no loose wires. there's nothing worse than taking your seat off and having a rat's nest underneath it. So I'm pretty pleased with that. USB is now wired in this channel here. So if I switch the ignition on, 4 lights there, and hurrah! Power off, power on. Fantastic. Right, it's just a matter of a quick tidy up now, button everything up, reset my clock because the battery's been disconnected, and we're good to go. So, nice and simple. Now, one little thing I do like about these things is the 4 blue lights, 4 live channels. If one of the fuses blows, that indicator will turn red. So there's no messing about wondering, ooh, what's gone wrong. You know exactly which fuse has gone, which is quite clever. And the beauty is, this box was under £14, which is a phenomenal bargain. I know they're good because I've had exactly the same one fitted onto my V-Strom for the last 12 months and it's been perfect. So no complaints at all. I'm very happy with that, very pleased. Just put the seats back on and away we go. So I hope you found that useful. Yeah, budget power. Fantastic, really pleased with that. Happy with the installation, straightforward. It's a lot more awkward on the FJR because of the fact you have to lift the tank to run the cables in. I didn't have that problem on the V-Strom because the battery's under the seat. Like most bikes, the batteries aren't going to be either under the seat or in a side panel. So hopefully it'll be a lot simpler for you. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you find it useful, and let me know how you get on. Thanks for watching. Bye.